Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, this is the official YouTube channel of Lightway Research and Technology Center, and in this video we are diving into one of the first steps of data analysis in Stata. That is how to import your data into Stata. Whether you are working with Excel, CSV or even a text file, I will show you exactly how to bring that data into Stata. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to launch your Stata. Here is my Stata. Now let me clear the existing one. So clear, this is the command to clear mine. So there's no data sets now. Now to import an Excel file into Stata, the first thing, there are three different methods. The first one is to use the command window. The third one is to make use of file, then from here you import, and another method is to make use of the do file. So let me start with the first one, using of menus. So if you want to import a new data into Stata, you go to file, then you click import. Here you select Excel spreadsheets. Please take note, if you want to import SPSS data, you click SPSS. If you want to import SAS data, you click on this. If you want to import CSV data, you click on this, but I will only show you how to import Excel in this particular video. So you click on Excel. Here you have a new window opened. Then you click browse. Where is your file, your data located? This is my data in this particular document. So you click on it and you click open. Another important thing that you need to do is that you need to check this import first row as variable. Import first row as variable names, so that this particular one will, let me uncheck, you will see now, you can see this file does not have a variable name. The variable name is ABC. So once I check this, you will see that this will come up as my variable names. So once you check this, you click OK. Now you have successfully imported your data into XPSS, and if you check the variable field, you see that we now have three variables here: MMR, GAEH and URP. You understand? To confirm, you can just press browse, then you say enter. It will pop up. You can see this is the data. You can also just click on this icon, then it will pop up. So that's how to make use of the menu approach. Another thing you can do is to use your command window, or you use your do file. The same command. The difference between your command window and your do file is that in command window your commands will not be saved, but in do file you can easily save and clean your commands. If you want to make use of the command window, you need to take notes. What do you want to import? Excel file. So you say import Excel. That's what you want to import. Okay, now the documents before I make use of that, let me clear. Please take note of here now. We have the data set. That's why you are having these variables here. So, but once I clear now, everything will disappear. So there's no data set here now. Now you type import, then Excel. Now you need to get the parts of the documents that you want to import into this data. So to get the parts, just go to wherever you save your data. Here I save my data in this document, Stata, and this is the data I want to import. So instead of me writing the parts one after the other, I can just right click on it here. Once I right click, then I will click on copy as parts. So I will copy the parts, then come to Stata and paste it. Yes, this is the parts now. The only thing that I need to do is to instruct Stata to import the first row as a variable name. So I'll put comma and I say first row. You understand? So once I do that, then I press enter. The data set has been successfully imported. So to check, I can use browse, and here I have the data set. Another one is, okay, you want to make use of the do file. You can first write all the codes that you want to use for your analysis in the do file before you perform the operation. For instance, now I want to import data, the data into Stata. So I just highlight the commands. This is the command. Then I click on execute. The data set has been successfully imported. You can see the comments. For importing Excel file, the easiest way is to copy the parts of the file, which I've done, and add import Excel and command first row. And another thing is, if you let me open the data set here, you can see that I have just one spreadsheet here. I have just one sheet. In a situation whereby you have 2-3 sheets, you understand, and you have your data in sheet 3, you need to inform Stata that, okay, your data is in sheet 3. So after the comma, after the first row, you add comma and do what? And add sheets. Then the sheet where your data is saved, sheet 1, sheet 2, or sheet 3, then you put everything in this quotation mark. You understand? After this, before the first row, you put comma, first sheet, then you put first row. So that is if your data has several sheets. So that is how to import Excel file into Stata. If you want to import CSV, you just go to file. I've shown you that. File, then you pick this test data, test delimited. Then from here you pick file to import. You click on this browse. This is the file I want to import. For instance, output says, so I select this. These are the data I want to import. So the next thing is just to submit. Do you want to continue to replace the data? Yes, because I have not cleared it, so I want to replace it. Then okay. So now I have a different, let me use browse. Okay, you see I have a different data imported. You can see now. So this is a different data, but this particular data I need to convert all these ones to numeric before I can make use of all this data for any analysis. So if you are using CSV file, you just follow that method, and this is the command if you want to make use of the command window. So this is it, import delimited outputs. That's where it is saved. You just copy the paths the way I did for this. You just copy the paths. The only two things you need to write out is this one that I highlighted, this one, then this one. From here to here, you copy, you make sure you master this. Then this one, you can get it directly from wherever the file is located. So that is how to import CSV file as well. So if you want to clear all the data sets here, you can just say clear. Once you press enter, all the data will disappear. But these are some quick tips if you run into any issue. The first thing is you make sure the file path is correct. So that's why I always advise that you go and copy the path. So once you copy the path, you just move it, you just paste it, and you write the other commands and execute. So if the path is not correct, particularly if you are typing it, you may make one or two mistakes. So you just look out for the error, the backslash or the double slash. Another thing is that if your file is open in Excel, you need to close it before importing it. You understand? If you notice that you are having error, then make sure you close the file in your Excel. You just go to Excel, then you close it. Once you close it, then you import again. Also, you should ensure that you use quotes around the file names with space. So make sure you use quotes. This one, you use quotes. So those are the things that you need to know. Now that you know how to import data into Stata using the menu approach, the command line, as well as the do while, if you run into any issue, you can just consult file. So once you consult the Stata file, you'll be able to identify the problem and also the solution. You understand? So if this video helps you, please give it a thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more Stata and data analysis tips. Please also drop your comments in the comment section. I will catch you in the next video. Happy coding.